The human heart, a tireless muscle, pumps blood throughout our bodies. It sustains life, delivering oxygen and nutrients with every beat. Yet, this vital organ can falter. Heart failure, a condition where the heart struggles to meet the body's demands, affects millions worldwide. Current treatments, from medications to implanted devices, have limitations. Medications can have side effects, and implants require surgery and ongoing management. Transplantation, the ultimate solution, faces a severe organ shortage. The need for a new paradigm in heart failure management is critical. Patients often experience breathlessness, fatigue, and fluid buildup. Their quality of life is compromised, and the risk of sudden cardiac events looms large. Clearly, a better solution is needed, one that is less invasive, more readily available, and offers renewed hope. Imagine a world where a heart in distress finds support not from a bulky implant, but from a device as sleek as a wristwatch. This is the promise of the wearable heart assist pump, a revolutionary technology poised to reshape the landscape of heart care. Worn discreetly on the wrist, the device houses a miniaturized pump and advanced sensors. It continuously monitors the heart's rhythm and efficiency. When it detects the telltale signs of heart failure, the pump activates. It gently propels blood from the heart, ensuring adequate circulation. The device acts as a mechanical partner to the weakened heart, easing its burden and restoring its ability to deliver blood effectively. The non-invasive nature of the device is a game changer. Patients can wear it comfortably, avoiding the risks associated with surgery and implanted devices. The potential impact of the wearable heart assist pump on patient outcomes is profound. By providing on-demand support to the failing heart, the device can alleviate symptoms, reduce hospitalizations, and improve quality of life. Patients once tethered to bulky equipment or facing limited treatment options now have a chance to live more freely and actively. The implications for healthcare systems are equally significant. The wearable nature of the device allows for rapid deployment, potentially even in emergency situations. This is particularly crucial in remote or underserved areas where access to specialized cardiac care is limited. The device's portability and ease of use could empower healthcare providers in these regions to manage heart failure more effectively. Furthermore, by reducing the need for hospitalizations and complex procedures, the wearable assist pump has the potential to alleviate the economic burden associated with heart failure treatment. The development of the wearable heart assist pump is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of medical innovation. This groundbreaking technology offers a beacon of hope for millions living with heart failure. As research and development continue, we can envision a future where such devices become even more sophisticated and personalized. Imagine pumps tailored to individual patient needs, adapting their support based on real-time physiological data. The future holds the promise of artificial intelligence algorithms that can predict and prevent heart failure exacerbations. These advancements, coupled with the continuous miniaturization of technology, have the potential to further revolutionize heart care. The wearable heart assist pump is not merely a device. It is a symbol of our commitment to extending life expectancy and enhancing the quality of life for countless individuals worldwide. It represents a new era in medicine where innovation and compassion converge to mend broken hearts.